Hello YouTube, today I'm going to do a pocket knife unboxing video. I got this pocket knife from dealextreme.com. I'm going to post the website on the description. I do not know how much the pocket knife cost me. I think it was around $6, but I'll post it anyways. Alright, so let's unbox. Alright, see how it is. It looks kind of open, maybe because of the postage. Alright. And this is it right here. Looks nice. Like it. Let's see how we open it. Wow, kind of hard. Here we go. It's kind of hard to open it, but looks nice. Wow. It's kind of heavy. It is heavy. Weights around 3 ounces. I'm going to take this off. I don't like that. See, like that. Open it like that. Then let's see how this baby cuts. Ooh, nice and sharp. Nice. Cuts nice. Let's see. And that's all, guys. Stay posted for more videos. I am going to do another fire wallet video. Probably is going to be next. So yeah, stay tuned.